In this video, I will show you how to verify domains on Brevo. So we are actually right now onto our Brevo. So what you can do is you can click onto our profile right here. And then we can see this domains right there. Now in here you can see this senders option. What we can do is we can click on this domains option. Now in here what we can do is we can just head over and then click on this add a domain. And then add in here the domain that you want to use. Once you have added this domain, you can see it right here onto this authentication. So your authentication will serve as your verification. So you can authenticate yourself or you also authenticate the domain automatically. Click on continue right here once you have chosen your choice. And then after that, this will load for a little while in order to add those DNS. Click on this continue and it will analyze this domain and select the DNS provider manually and getting your setup details. Now in here you can just select your domain provider. So for example, you can just scroll down right here and then find the domain provider that we want to use. And then from in there just log into your Shopify because in this case I use my Shopify domain. I can just log in from in there and then I can continue and add the DNS records from there. And once it's been added, it will be verified as well.